It is an issue that has haunted Premier Kathleen Wynne and her predecessor, former Premier Dalton McGuinty, for years now. The gas plant scandal. Well, today, McGuinty's former Chief of Staff, David Livingston, was sentenced to 4 months in jail for his role in wiping government hard drives just before Kathleen Wynne took office. This is Livingston as he entered the courthouse to hear his sentence. He was convicted of helping delete potentially damaging emails relating to the cancellation of 2 controversial gas plants just before the 2011 election, a move the government was accused of making in order to win seats. The cancellation was estimated at $1.1 billion in cost. The judge had harsh words for Livingston, saying his conduct was an affront to and an attack upon democratic institutions and values. Livingston's lawyer believes the sentence is too harsh and is appealing the verdict and the sentence.
As to serving a 4-month sentence for a 65-year-old of exceptional good character, as the judge conceded, of course, that's a very significant sentence, and in fact it will be our submission that that is a harsh and excessive sentence in the circumstances of this case where there was no proof of actual harm.
Now, Livingston's Deputy Chief of Staff, Laura Miller, was acquitted of the same charges, and this sentence couldn't come at a worse time for the Liberals. It's just 2 months before an election. They're trailing badly in the polls behind the Conservatives, and the only Liberal we could find who would talk about this on camera today was Attorney General Yasir Naqvi.
My understanding is that Mr. Livingston's counsel is appealing the matter, so it will be highly inappropriate for me to speak to any aspect of the matter.
And we're just going to have to wait and see if this sentence will actually hurt the Liberals more or if the scandal is already reflected in the polls.